Yeah, you got to smile. So without cursing, John, tell me what you're doing today.
I'm doing an evaporator.
What's an evaporator?
It's a little, it's like a little radiator inside the car for the AC system. So it blows the cold, fan blows the cold air through the duct and blows it through the fins and through the rest of the ductwork into the car to cool the customer off.
So maybe you want to show me where the rest of the ductwork is, since you have the blower housing out of the car.
The rest of the ductwork is...
The rest of the ductwork is not in the dash.
Which is still sitting on the seat.
So we've got a dashboard sitting on a seat.
Here it is.
A little more of the dash and interior trim. And the instrument cluster and center console.
Steering column.
And the steering column on the floor.
And this was the culprit that had the problem.
So what happened to this beauty?
She sprung a leak and was leaking Freon into the inside of the car.
And is that what that green?
The green is the dye that we put in to locate the leak.
Very nice.